In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Gmail not loading. If Gmail is stuck on a blank screen, spinning forever, or refusing to open, follow along and we'll get you back into your inbox quickly and safely. Let's start with the simplest fix: refresh Gmail. On a Windows PC, press Ctrl plus F5 to force a hard refresh, which reloads the page and bypasses some cached files. If you don't want to use a shortcut, just click the browser's refresh button. This alone can clear a temporary glitch and get Gmail to appear. If that doesn't do it, check your internet connection. Toggle your Wi-Fi off and back on, or briefly disconnect and reconnect to your network. If things still feel slow, restart your router by unplugging it for about 10 seconds and plugging it back in. When possible, test another network, like a mobile hotspot. Weak or unstable internet is one of the most common reasons Gmail won't load. Next, verify that Gmail itself isn't having an outage. Open a search engine and look up Google Workspace status. Click the official status dashboard and check the Gmail row. If Gmail is marked as disrupted or down, the best fix is patience. Wait for Google to resolve the issue, then try again. If Gmail loads partially or gets stuck in a loop, clear your browser cache and cookies. Open your browser settings. Go to the Privacy or Security section and choose Clear Browsing Data. Select cookies and cached images and files, then confirm. Keep in mind that clearing cookies signs you out of most sites, so you may need to log in again afterward. When it's done, reload Gmail and see if the page renders properly. Still stuck? Disable browser extensions. Open your browser's extensions or add-ons manager and turn everything off temporarily, especially content blockers or productivity tools that interact with web pages. Then reload Gmail. If it works, turn extensions back on one by one to find the culprit. To quickly test whether extensions or caching are the problem, try incognito or private mode. Open a private window and go to mail.google.com. Incognito runs with a clean slate and typically disables extensions by default, which makes troubleshooting much faster. If none of that helps, restart your device, whether it's your phone or your computer. A fresh boot clears background glitches and resets network services that can block Gmail from loading. To recap the common causes: slow internet, a cluttered browser cache, an extension conflict, or a temporary Gmail outage. Work through these fixes in order, and you'll usually solve the issue in minutes. Thanks for watching, and good luck getting your inbox back on track.